welcome to the Happy Homework Club tutorial series where we help teachers and parents better understand this educational platform that helps our kids better learn math and science and English. Today we're going to be covering vowels. Now, when you start the game, you're going to be met upon the screen, maybe, dependent upon which version of the game you have. But you have the option to play a video or to just skip and play the game. But for this instance, we're going to play the video because it's very important.
Hello kids, today we're going to learn about vowels. Vowels are very special letters in the alphabet that help us to say words.
Vowels.
And today we're going to teach the drones about vowels. But instead of saying it, let's sing it instead. Una ready? So the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So A, E, I, O, U. Singing time. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Pussy vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. We don't be vowels. Yeah. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. O, U. Great job, man. Now you know vowels. All you need to do is just tap on the vowel in the word. Let's go.
Let's help the drones. Drag the vowel letters into the box, then pull down the lever. Yay!
So, if the song isn't stuck in your head, then we haven't been doing a good job. But no, the child, or our child, knows vowels. And if it is that they don't really remember the vowels, they can just tap on this switch.
A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U.
Sends a helpful reminder. So that the main objective is to drag the vowel into the box. So I'm going to drag A, and then we're going to pull down this slider.
Awesome job.
Then we're going to I, and drag down the slider. And as you can see, the progress bar is increasing. O.
Wow,
Time is running
great
out.
job.
Spent too much time talking. E. And my time is up. And we're off. So, through this, you gain a kind of understanding why it is that it is timed. Because when it is timed, it gives this kind of gamified experience. It adds to it. And also it keeps it fair. So if it is that you're able, or they're able to finish it rather within that specified time, then we can say that they have a fair shake of understanding the topic, which in this case is vowels, even with the help one. Now, the next mission or the next upgrade to this mission, the next mission they would play, is one where they don't have the helpful hints to guide them. Now, this is a testing if you really did understand or you did really remember the vowels. And that's how we do. We do this learning ladder thing where we give you an easy way, then we add difficulty to it until you just master it and you know it without thinking. But the vowels mission, or the introduction to vowels mission,